Benji, where are you? I've been waiting for you here. I'm upstairs. 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, if I wait and I don't see you, I'll leave this place. Benji.
Hello, Lisa. Wow. Good to see you at last. So how are you doing?
Who are you?
This is Benji. I just dialed the number from there. I'm so hot. Please, can I have a bottle of this too? Waiter! Please, a bottle of Coke.
So, excuse me. Were you the one who just came in on a bike?
Yes, the bike just dropped me and then I climbed up. Wow, you look so beautiful than I expected. Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Can I borrow your phone?
Sure, why not? Sorry, I have only got a flashing credit. I don't know.
I want to flash.
Okay, you want to flash? Okay, sure, go ahead.
I just deleted my number from your phone. If I ever see you around me, I'm going to get you arrested. Or better still, I'll curse you. Foolish man. Flashing credits.
Oh, wait, is that right? Wait. Lisa.
Very foolish. If you were in my shoes, wouldn't you behave irrational? Can you imagine? So you are the idiot I've been wasting my time on. Hey! You don't even own a car. You came on a bike. A bike!
But does that really matter? See, what matters is the love we feel for each other.
I mean, shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Listen, I don't have time for poor people like you. Look at what you're even... Look at what you're wearing. Just look at you.
See, what I'm wearing does not matter either. See, I'm a very hardworking young man. And believe me, my future is very bright. Tomorrow I'll take you around in any kind of car you want. I mean, mention it on my Jeep, Lincoln Navigator.
God will punish you. God will certainly punish you. You keep waiting for tomorrow. Me, I believe in today. I love miracles. Let me warn you. If I ever see you around me, I'm going to have you arrested for harassment. Foolish man.
See, Lisa.
Foolish man.
He really wants to speak with you. I'm sure, I believe you know him.
Well, you have to make it snap.
Please, just to see him out. Thank you.
Hi, beautiful.
Hi.
I really don't want to waste your time. I know you're in a hurry. But this is my car.
Okay.
Just call me anytime, okay? Where are you heading? Can we drop you off?
Oh no, it's not necessary. Thank you.
I'm so sorry. You didn't tell me your name. My name is Chidi.
It is not necessary. I'll give you a call. I'll give you a call.
Alright, yeah, be good.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
He doesn't even own a cow. He came on a bike.
Okay. Power bike, Abi?
Okada! Not being getamo. A person carry.
Okada!
Hi!
God forbid.
You need to see him. Looking so unkempt. He can't sit down and finish carrying my coke. Let me cook now. Let me cook now.
Are you serious? So, is that not the same guy you've been having sleepless nights about? Oh, come on. No wonder he calls you only at midnight. You should have decoded from there now.
Sorry, decode for the matter. Why you not there? Why you not decode?
What you concern me? I tell you my business.
Like at the vest now, you tell me about decode and decoding and not decoding. The vest for my money and my time I don't waste. See me preparing. He has my smile. I reach the finish. You need to see him. You will pity me.
Just take it easy. Not be again. You'll catch another one very soon.
Did you say catch another one soon? Edit. What kind of a friend are you? I would advise you, Lisa, to abandon this your flashing business association of Nigerian clothing and face the only guy who truly loves you. For me, I'm off to lecture something like that.
I'm going. No, they follow you talk.
I'll catch up with you later.
When you not getting your shy, I want to know what's in the happen.
I like and like that though. Una day at the flash.
No worry yourself. Henry called me. I'm going to go to the hotel to see him.
Now, as if any of his friends are available. This remote matter doesn't make me vex. So from the very first day I met that guy, the only thing he keeps telling me, marriage. Did they shop? Babe, check me out now. No, check me out. A girl like me needs a man that will keep the thing standing and the ass moving. I need millions, to I beg at the verse, I don't want him the matter.
Abio, my sister and all of us. Even me, I need them. You know, I need them. Gosh, just crash here. No worry yourself. Me too, I need the millions.
Chairman, sir. So the lady in question is here.
Does she ask questions?
No questions, sir.
Sure.
Without pleasure, sir.
born this way. I was born a cripple. But of course, that didn't stop me making wealth. As you can see, I'm comfortable.
Cripple?
Would you rather sit down? You don't look very good on your feet at the moment.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Please make yourself comfortable, please.
Thank you. It's one of the special cocktail I really like it. So?
Well, I didn't know you had a condition the first time I met you in front of the shopping mall.
Wasn't exactly something you advertised, my dear.
All things being equal, I think I'm beginning to like you. You know, despite your condition, you're being able to make wealth.
To whom God chooses to bless, He does do so exceedingly. For those that He again chooses not to bless, you know the rest of the story is God.
Of course, that's why He's God.
Yes. So, I trust you're all comfortable?
Of course, very, very comfortable.
I like your voice on the phone. It's very nice.
Everybody tells me. It's nature, you know.
Yes, I enjoy all our conversations.
Yeah. But you hid it from me that you had a condition.
Maybe you didn't ask. But again, it's not stopped me being whatever I want to be. Do you want to come with me? Let me show you around.
What kept you? You were supposed to come back yesterday. I'm sorry, darling. My mom missed her flight from New York day before yesterday. She only came back yesterday. And trust me, I had to wait and collect everything she promised me before Story will enter. You know now, eh? My sister, I missed you so much. I know, and I missed you. I was so bored. You don't need to tell me, I know. Hey, what's up with that? Where are you going with those?
I'm going to go and see my dad and my younger sister. You know, it's been long I went to see them. I need some money.
Wait, did I hear you say you want to go home and collect some money?
Yes.
Where do you expect him to get money from? You're stressing that poor man. You're stressing him and I don't like it.
But I'm broke now. I'm really broke. What will I do? I'm really, really broke. I need money.
I know you're broke, but that is not enough for you to be stressing the poor man. Okay? You know what?
What?
I'll handle it.
Are you serious?
Don't worry.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you so much.
Oh, come on.
Thank you.
Don't go praise worshipping me right now, okay? I love you like a sister. And I'll do anything. Anything to make you happy as long as God keeps blessing my family. Now, come. Let's get
your goodies.
Eh? My goodies? Of course. My mom bought a lot of things for me in America. And as usual, half of them are for you. Hey, big girl! I am serious.
Oh my God. This is so wonderful. They're so beautiful. Look at the label. This original American label.
Of course, they should be original American wares. I won't give you anything that is not that. Try this. Eh? Shoes. Girlfriend, what is shoes? Oh my God. What am I going to do without you? May my God continue to bless you. Amen. Come of it. Come of it. A sister has got to love a sister, you know. Thank you. Here. Oh, I know you like it. Don't be a spoiled sport. Take it. I can't. Come, take it first. I'm sorry, I can't. I mean, I don't need a phone. Yes. I mean, I came to school to study. I don't want all this campus boy to be disturbing me on my phone. Irene, what are you saying? Everybody needs a phone for one reason or the other. And hey, who says you should distribute your line to all the guys on campus? It's not a must. Don't worry. There's a line in it already. Don't be a spoiled sport. I bought this for you. Take it. Take it. It's fine. Thank you. You're welcome. What is this? What was this? Just pick it. Who's calling me? Oh, pick it first. Pick it. What's now? Pick it. Hello? James. James, how did you get this number? I mean, what are you calling me for? Listen and listen carefully. Do not ever call this line again. Did you hear me? Don't you ever call this line again. Yes, I came to school to read my books and not to fall in love with any boy on this campus. Did you hear me? So stop calling me. Rubbish. Ella. Yes. Why did you give James this number? I've not even seen this phone. I've already given James this number. Well, I just wanted to add a little spice to the surprise. I didn't know you hated him this much. But if you ask me, I think the guy genuinely cares about you. Listen, I do not hate James, okay? I don't hate him. I mean, I promised my dad and my late mom to concentrate on my studies, okay? And come out tops in my department. My mother even told me to read my books and make something out of my life on my own. I don't intend to go against that or fall in love with any of these campus boys. You know what? Your mom is right, okay? I'm sorry for giving James your number. I'll call him and I'll ask him not to disturb you again. Is that okay? Are you sure? Of course I am okay. Thank you so much. Now try those shoes for me. I really need to know how it look on you. Okay. Thank you so much. How are you? Yeah, I'm good. It's just that I'm missing you. I'm actually dreaming about you. When are you coming back now? Can't wait to have those sweet lips of yours on mine, you know. Hold you close to me, feel your body warmth, and baby, yeah, I love you. You know I love you too. I love you very, very much. Of course, I'm in school. Scribble man again. Hey baby.
Hello, baby.
Hey.
You want me to please?
Yeah, sure, please, baby. Yeah. Hey baby, what are you still doing up like this? Where are you going to bed?
Oh, well,
I really wanted to spend some time with you.
But baby, you know, Bible condemns this whole sleeping together thing, you know, before getting fully wedded in church. Even the Bible tells us that body is a temple of the Lord and we shouldn't defile it. Can't you understand?
I really don't want anything. I was just lonely. I wanted a little companionship and so.
Baby, I know, but I can't please you to displease God.
It's not about that. I'm asking you to come to my bedroom, our bedroom, not to sleep with you. Just to talk, get to know you, share that moment.
Baby, I know, but I cannot please you to displease God. Moreover, even if I come with you to the room, we can't do anything because I'm on my period.
No, you still don't get it. It's just, I didn't know you were on period. Even if I knew you were on your period, you know what, you don't get it. I need to get back.
Oh baby, don't sound this way.
It's okay, I'm so sorry.
Cheer up, darling. Sweetie, sit tight, okay? Come on, don't take it too personal now. Alright, good night, love. I love you. Oh gosh. Hello, darling. Well, I didn't call. I thought you called. I thought you dropped the call. Maybe it was network. My love, I can't wait to have you. Yeah, I miss you. I can't wait to have you close to me, you know. Hold you closer. Oh, gosh, you know it's been a while.
Good morning, ma'am.
What are you doing?
I'm dusting everywhere.
Will you shut up? By the way, what time did you get here?
8 this morning.
You are lying. You see, look at the time, it's 9:30 and you're still cleaning my salon efe. Eh?
Auntie, I scrubbed everywhere and I washed
my dear, will you shut up and finish up with what you're doing? By the way, did anyone look for me?
No, ma.
Good morning, sister.
Lisa.
Good morning.
Good morning. Lisa, where are you coming from this morning?
School, of course. Besides, how is business?
Business? You can see for yourself. There is no business.
Sister, you don't sound very pleased to see me. Anyways, I came to say hello to my darling sister. And to also pick up some cash.
What cash? Just listen to yourself. You came to get some cash. You should be ashamed of yourself. Big, beautiful girls like you pay their way through school. But what do? You keep running to me every now and then, asking for cash. Eh? You know that our parents never left anything for us. My dear, I am tired. Really, really tired. I mean, look at me now. I am not married and I'm not happy about it. I wouldn't want such to happen to you too. So my dear, you have to be smart. Eh? You have to use every intelligence available to you to get men. I mean, rich men. Truly wealthy men that will build a house for us in the village and of course establish a big business for us. All this our beauty, it will not be in vain. No. You want all this lovely shape to be in vain, eh? All this beauty. My dear, you have to wisen up. Make hay while the sun shines. You should be ashamed of yourself.
But sister, you know I never used to bother you until Ted traveled.
Yeah, just spare me all that. Spare me that bullshit. I warned you, didn't I? I warned you to get pregnant for him so as to hold him and trap him. You refused. You allowed that white man, an American for that matter, to slip away. Eh? Didn't you know that if you had had a baby for him, that would have automatically made you an American citizen? And of course your big sis would have also become an American citizen. You allowed him to slip away. My dear, you have to wisen up. You have to grow up. Grow up! Eh? Oh God. It's really, really sad. I'm yet to forgive you for that sleep.
Okay, sister, I'm sorry about that. I will not make such mistakes again.
That is if the opportunity will ever come again. Haven't you heard that opportunity comes but once? Haven't you heard it?
Sister, me, I'm a very lucky girl. My own opportunity will come twice or even thrice.
I hope so.
I simply have the money now.
I sincerely... give me, give me. No, give me that. See this guy right now.
Boys here for?
What boys? You know what time it is? You had a late dinner. You should have the presence of mind to play. They've all gone to bed.
And they can do it tomorrow.
You're just gonna leave it like that?
Yes.
Sir, do you need any other thing?
I'm fine, sir. If I need something else, I'll call you.
Okay, sir.
I'm about to leave. What's the meaning of this now?
Let me explain what this means. I've never known more misery than the few days you spent here while you were here. It's incredible. Transition. You don't do anything for anybody. You're a very self-centered, very selfish person. Your attitude is completely alien to me. You don't do nothing. For that reason, I think you're not the kind of person I want to spend the rest of my life with.
What arrant nonsense! Can you imagine?
Calm down, calm down. Let me explain to you what this is all about. Don't lose your cool just yet. You don't cook, you don't clean. You're not responsible for your upkeep. Everything you do, you ask my boys to do it, including run your bath. And I'm not asking for a slave, I'm asking for a companion. But even at that, you're useless in that. Because every night you give me all kinds of excuses about being on your period, and we couldn't do anything intimate. And the free time you had, I was supposed to sit down and get to know each other. You're constantly on the phone every waking minute and hour talking to different men.
And how is that your business? How is it your business?
Well, if you plan to spend time with me, a measure of my life, then it is my business how you spend it. It's just sad, but I don't think you're the kind of person I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Look at, so you expect me, hey, you expect me, Terry baby, to sleep with you, sleep with a cripple. A dead cripple like you. God forbid. God to fear.
I'm glad
God forbid.
You're beginning to show your typical self.
Man. So they ask me to come out, you come out. I'm a man.
Listen, I'll have security.
Shame. Don't even count yourself body as a man.
Listen, I'll have security to throw you out if you don't leave my house.
You throw me out. I will go. I will leave your house. I'd rather go for something else than be with a cripple like you.
This is 5,000 naira to suffice for transport. Go back to wherever it is.
5,000. Take your money, useless man. Ritualist! It's your money, idiot.
Okada. Who come can say what I do now?
Joe Okada. Hello, Bola. Sorry, ma. Wrong number, ma. Hello, Auntie Joy. Sorry, wrong number. dead. Mama is dead.
I think this is slight oversight here.
Brother, stop playing. Just stop playing. Mama is dead. This is not a joke. Mama is dead. You need to come back home. You need to come home quickly.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry, but I think there's a mistake here. I'm not Brother Tony.
Brother, stop now. I'm not asking you for money. Mama is dead. Mama is dead. Everybody is here. Only you. You're not here yet.
I'm not talking about money. I don't know who you are. Seriously.
Stop playing. Just stop playing.
Hang on. Calm down. Calm down for a second. Just 1 second. I want to tell you something that's really important. Okay. I am not Brother Tony. Apparently, you dialed the wrong number.
Brother Tony, I don't trust you. Are you sure it's not you?
Yes, that's what I've been trying to tell you, but...
I feel so terrible. My mother is dead. That's if you're not Brother Tony.
Oh, it's nothing. Listen, I know whatever you're going through is unbearable right now. If it's any consolence, I lost my mother. And believe me, it's a loss that you will not recover from as long as you live. But you just need to be strong at this moment.
You say your mother too is dead?
It's something terrible we must go through. It's even more terrible that you have to lose your mother has to go first before you. But
God, who do I run to now? Who do I run to now? I feel so bad now.
I'll be more than happy to do the little I can. May God grant you the strength and fortitude to bear the loss, okay?
You're so kind. Can I be calling you?
Of course, anytime.
Hey, I knew you would work. I knew it. Hey. Oh.
Yes.
Hey, dear. What's up?
Hello, Lisa.
Good morning, Roland.
Good morning. You're here.
Let's just meet.
Oh, excuse me. Listen, you didn't call me last night as you promised. See, that issue, I really need to get over with that. See, a lot of pressures are being exerted on me from my brothers and sisters, my mom.
Raymond, I am not ready to get married. I will not get married until after my graduation. I'm sure your mother and your sister can understand that.
Yes, but they also know that some girls, they get married while in school. Some even have children.
I am not some people. I am Lisa, and I live my life differently.
Okay, yeah, I understand that, but please listen to me. What I want is just to introduce myself to your people. That's all. Then, do some traditional...
Raymond, introduction, engagement, all of it will have to wait until after my graduation. Raymond, final answer. I'm late.
Lisa...
You're not eating your food. Are you not happy that I slept the hell last night?
Don't pretend to me, Chief. You know why I'm upset, and you're not doing anything about it.
What have I done wrong this time? What have I done that you don't like? Huh?
Chief, why don't you take me out? You don't take me to places. I need to travel to the outside world. I need to see things, look around, make some shopping. I need to go places with you, Chief.
Is that why you're looking like a pale horse? Come on, cheer up. Cheer up and get your food. I'll be traveling to Italy next week on a business trip, and you're coming with me.
For real?
I've even bought a ticket.
Oh, Chief. Why didn't you tell me all this while?
So, eat the food.
I hope you're not trying to bribe me. Because I want to be by your side all the time.
Listen, as long as you remain mine, I will always make you happy. Alright? And guess what? I intend to buy you a small aircraft.
Chief!
Take it easy, take it easy.
God, Chief, you want to kill me. You're doing more than enough now. Oh. Thank you, darling. You're one in a million.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for this.
My honey.
Oh my God, I love you so much. So now I can eat my breakfast.
Pounce on the breakfast. and the void.
Oh my God, so we're going to Italy?
Yes.
Oh my God, I can't believe it.
You might even
I can't believe it. Huh?
Vatican.
Oh, you can say that again.
This is very tantalizing.
Ada is not feeling too well. You didn't even call me. You just left her like this.
I'm sorry, my daughter. I'm sorry. I went to the chemist to buy some drugs for her, but Bola refuses to sell.
Why?
He said I should take her to hospital. And I don't have any cover with me.
Daddy, it's okay. Let's take her to the hospital. See her temperature is so high. It could be malaria, acute, or even typhoid. Let's not waste time. You know what? Don't worry. I'll foot the bill. Let's just take her to the hospital. Her life is more important.
You foot the bill?
I will. Let's not waste time.
Thank you very much. It's only God that reward you for all the things you are doing for the family.
Thank you. Let's take her to the hospital. Hey, God. She's running temperature.
Sorry. Thank you, my
I'm telling you, it was terrible. It was terrible, but you know, I had to like think, you know, to make it better. Excuse me there. Hi. Please forgive me if I said something, okay? I just liked what I saw while we were exercising with your friend, so.
Me or her?
I mean you. So may I know the lovely name you go by? You can call me Ike now.
What did you see that you liked?
I just haven't seen any woman as shapely as you in my life. And I find it very interesting and I would like to know you better. Are you alright? Are you okay?
You are crazy. Are you mad? Do I look like I'm your cripple association? Hey! Look at me very well. Look at me very well.
My dear, you're getting it all wrong, okay? My disability has got just nothing to do with my feelings for you.
You are lucky I'm not very angry.
No, what are you doing?
Don't do that!
That was not fair.
Is she okay?
No!
It's okay. Man. Just take it easy.
I said leave me alone! so fine now. Look. This way. Forward. Oh, I have If I hear you whisper, I swear I will delete you. Below down. Wow, forward. Got this young man for this place. Irene, I have joy. I have pleaded. I have promised you love, but you remain adamant. Well, I have decided to take what belongs to me by force.
I don't have anything that belongs to you.
Boss,
please.
Really?
Yes, I thank you.
By blue. These two belongs to me. These two belongs to me.
I have told you that I don't want any relationship on this campus. I have begged you. Now just let me go. I beg you, please.
Firm your mouth. I say soup. You know what? You have from now to midnight to meet to my demands. Or else, consider yourself a dead mate. I mean every word. Every word! You know what? Ask people around me on this campus. No one messes around me. No one! The boys are your courts. And you must play it. You must play it. Go. Go! Delete. Pause. See you at my place. No games, no excuses. Take your carry over. You're forward.
Of course, you know I don't have time for any other guy. Yes. Okay. So when are you coming over to Nigeria? Or do you want me to come over to London? Really? Okay. I'll talk to my mom about it. Hey, God. Baby, I'll call you back. Okay, please. I'll call you. No, don't worry. I'll call you. I mean, what is it? What is it? What happened to you? What? What happened to you? Slow down.
James and his friend promised to kill me if I don't sleep with them.
What? Wait. James? Oh, no, wait. I thought he said he loves you. So why would he threaten you?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
See, I'm going home to...
No. I won't allow you to do that. I won't. You know what? I'll take care of it. Okay? Trust me, I'll take care of it. Who the hell does he think he is? Pick! He's not picking. God. You know what? Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay. I'll handle it. Don't worry. Don't worry. What on the heck is that? It's okay.
Are you serious?
I'll handle it.
Oh, Lucky. If you're not tired, I'm tired. We've been here over 5 hours. Please give me the money you promised me. I want to go back to school.
Oh, calm down. Alright? I'll give you more than I promised you. I'm just thinking how to make this our get together an exciting one.
How?
Okay. We go clubbing tonight. I'll take you to the biggest and the finest nightclub in the city. We'll have fun. And the night together.
Lucky, that's not the one I want to hear. Tell me about the money.
I said money is not the problem. I take good care of you. You understand? My kind of relationship is different from other men that you met. I'm just creating a perfect pattern that we can get to know each other better.
I don't mind, as long as you give me the money you promised.
You are in good hands. Okay.
Let me go get to the room. But I'm really hungry. Can we eat something like rice?
Let's see what they have here.
Thank you.
Okay. Don't worry about it. Yes, I would like to have 2 plates of semovita vegetable soup with stockfish. Is that okay?
I have fish and meat too.
Okay. Fish and meat in 1 plate, please. I make it snap because my darling is tired.
You have a way of spoiling me.
You are, baby.
I really love you. I love my Lucky.
Ah, baby. You can have your drink while we wait for them to come over and fool around too.
Oh yeah, we'll fool around.
Cheers, baby. To us.
To us. Don't forget the money you promised me.
Cash is no problem there.
I trust you.
Don't you worry.
Lucky. Lucky. Who is that?
Room service.
Come in.
Good afternoon, Auntie.
Did I hear you say good afternoon?
Yes.
Sorry, where is Lucky, the guy I came here with?
I saw him leaving earlier this morning.
I don't understand. I mean, he left early in the morning.
Yes. So, my manager now asked me to come and check if you still return the room because it's 12 noon already.
No, I'm leaving right now.
Alright.
What is that supposed to mean?
What do you mean by run away, girl?
I mean, didn't you agree when Ella came to carry me to say I should stay in a room with her? Because the room was crowded? And then you're calling me runaway girl. Huh?
Is that why you don't visit us anymore? It's not fair.
You know that all I do is read, sleep and eat. I'm an introvert. Is that why you forgot your old friends?
Hey!
Hi, girl!
Hey! What's up, girls? Hey.
Can you imagine? Look at all of them looking so fine.
Hey,
I'm about going for lunch and I don't know if any of you is interested.
Oh, of course.
I am hungry.
I love food.
Alright, come with me. My car is there. I'm so hungry.
Hi everyone. Irene, please listen to me. I want to apologize for my behavior last time. See, Irene, I mean, it wasn't really my intention. But I assured you it won't happen again. I assured you.
What will not happen again, eh? What will not happen again? Is it the persistent love advances or the threats? What?
Irene, every. Thank you.
What was that all about?
Can you imagine this guy? He and his friend threatened to kill me. I mean, I almost ran out of school, if not for Ella, who promised to handle everything. And he's now begging. Can you imagine?
I suspect an Ella magic in this.
You can say that again. Let's just say threat is the game. Let them not try me for this school. Let them not try. See, let me tell you. If anyone threatens me, I will threaten the person more dangerously. And the result? Someone must surely come begging. So let's just leave riffraffs to sort themselves out while we go get a well-deserved lunch. Let's go.
But it's crystal clear that he dropped you so as to have his feel. That was why he left early in the morning. I've had such experience before.
Lucky, how dare you practically leave me at the... What? Who? What did he say?
A lady picked and asked me not to call her fiancé again.
Ha! Oh. What? The most annoying thing is that he had me all night without food. If I even shop something safe, I know for this.
Eh? I did warn you, Lisa, before you left with this guy, Loki or whatever he is called. He is the fourth guy you are sleeping with alone this month. And you've come home with tales of wolves on each occasion, Lisa.
Bumi, I beg. I get boiled for my trip. I know fish out. Stop.
I won't stop. I won't, Lisa. I've advised you severally to abandon this your flashing business and stick with your guy Raymond, who truly loves you.
Well, Bumi, my dear, I am a realist. I'm in school. I need money for my upkeep. Money to take care of myself. I don't have anybody to help me. Raymond cannot give me a dime because he himself doesn't have. So I beg, allow me to do what I do. The only solution why I get to solve my problem for my life, and I'm waiting. Ross, I beg.
I agreed Raymond is not rich, but he is trying his best.
Well, his best is not good enough.
Exactly. Chidi.
Hello, sir.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
I've been trying to reach you since yesterday evening. You're not picking up. Are you okay?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I think network coverage here is really bad. There's no network in the hospital.
Hospital? What are you doing there? Are you visiting someone?
I actually have been ill for some time now, so they took me to the hospital and they admitted me for 2 days.
Why didn't you tell me?
Oh, I really didn't. I didn't want to bother you. I didn't want to bother you, sir.
How's the treatment going?
I did some series of tests. The results are not yet out, but they are saying in the hospital that they can't continue to treat me unless I make some deposit.
How much?
Say 20 to 30,000. I think it's really expensive, so I want to.
Text me your account details. I'll send you 50,000.
What? Thank you so much.
No big deal. I'll make sure they transfer as soon as I deposit, okay?
Thank you so very much. God bless you.
You too. Well, take good care of yourself and please don't hesitate to call me if you need anything else.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Hey! Micheal! You're just a complete professional. Look at how you just turned a bad situation into a good one.
That's why I keep advising both of you, particularly you. Learn how to handle men. Learn how to handle them, or else they'll malhandle you. Advice.
Only God will deliver the both.
Yeah, whatever. God will deliver you first.
The both of you. will deliver the both of you.
Yeah.
Dylan, welcome.
Hey!
Friend.
Well, you know you can't.
Friend.
You know.
Okay, why was that? Did you forget Sos?
Oh, so you mean all this my address is for nothing? Look at your phone. I won't waste my saliva out. Better come and find
Ife, have you bought the school of nursing form you told me about?
My sister, our madam have been owing us for 3 good months. And my uncle said he doesn't have money for now. I think it will be next year again.
But why? Why is Madame doing this? Why is she always owing us? Why?
She said there are no customers. So. But you ask her as if you're not in this shop. Are you not in this shop?
How is that our business?
Eh?
She's the cause of everything going on in this shop. You don't know.
Jennifer, how? How?
See, she brings men into this place. I'm sure she even sleeps there sometimes.
Stop talking like that!
I'm telling you something.
What's the meaning of this rubbish? I hate it!
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Did anyone look for me?
No.
Hey, Jennifer.
Yes, ma'am.
You girls have to do something about my nail, eh? It's looking quite unkempt.
Yes,
Chief, what are you doing here? Why are you here?
Baby, why don't you pick my calls anymore?
Excuse me. So you expect me to pick your calls? Eh? We abandoned me here and traveled with that witch you call your wife. You planned traveling with me. The next thing you disappeared with her. You think I wouldn't know? Is it?
Allow me to explain what happened. My wife unfortunately seized my international passport when I told her that I wasn't going to be traveling with her any longer. So I had no choice than to oblige her. But that's going to be the end. In the next 3 months I'll be moving out again, and this time around I'll travel with you. How about that?
So you expect me to jump up and sing hallelujah? Eh? So how are you sure now that that old hack will still not score to the plan? How are you sure about that?
Never again. I have plugged all the loopholes. And make sure this time around nothing like that happens again, okay?
Indeed.
Yes, we're traveling in 3 months, so just get ready. By the way, it's lunchtime. Shall we leave for lunch? Then from there we'll get to the house. I mean, I've missed you for quite some time now. Hi, baby. Give me a smile. Can I carry the bag?
Carry it. Carry it, Chief.
Where is it? All right. So, shall we?
Chief, you're really toying with my emotions.
It's okay, my dear.
You're toying with my emotions.
Easy.
Chief, I wouldn't want that to repeat itself
No, it's okay
again.
now, it's okay. Let's go.
Jennifer. Efe. Yes, ma'am. I'll take you out of the shop, eh? I'll be back.
This is darling, baby.
Hey! Tufia. What? Tufia.
Our auntie is a very wicked woman. She dates married men. She even called his wife's name.
Hey! What about the man in question? Is his wife not enough for him?
Don't mind him with his big
this man.
See women all over the house.
Yeah! Why are they behaving like this?
Don't mind them. Coming out.
I've been trying numbers all day. No one is calling me back. I don't know what's happening.
Today is not your lucky day.
Babe, an idea just stopped me now.
Which is?
How about if we start flashing international numbers?
Don't waste your time. No white man will call you back.
Let me just try, okay? Oh. Sorry. Are you serious? Hello? What? It rang. And the man picked it up and said hello. He's calling back. Pick. You don't need to walk. Hello? 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 I can hear you. Hello? I don't understand the language he's speaking. It's like Spanish or something.
Let me call my own foreign number. What's London code again?
London. 0044.
Is it 0044 plus?
Mommy, you've not called me back since, and I'm supposed to be waiting to get the money. Oh! Flashing things. Hello, Kate.
Hi, Julius. I'm at the bus stop. Where are you? Hello, Julius.
Kate, how could you possibly... You didn't tell me you're taking my book now. Who's this? The mortuary. Sorry.
Hey! Which kind of luck be that? Mortuary.
Hey!
No, let me try my luck again.
Hello. This is that Mary.
There's a very beautiful girl walking by. Times are hard. We must do anything we can to survive. Are you lonely? Do you need some love today? She'll be your lover, but you have to pay. She don't want your love. She just wants your money. She don't need your kiss.
Hello? Oh, hi. I'm sorry. Are you sure it's this number that flashed you? Oh, I'm really sorry. I was trying to flash my friend in London so he could call me back. I'm sorry, but... Well, nice to meet you, Wallace. My name is Lisa. I'm actually a student. I'm a computer engineering student. Yeah, University of Nigerian, that's the school. What? You graduated from here? Oh my goodness. The school is so proud of you. Yeah, I was so proud of you. Well, my mother said I shouldn't talk to strangers, you know, but you sound really nice. Yes, you can call me anytime. Thank you. Alright, bye. Yes. I'm so lucky.
So you've now taken your flashing business international and with loads of life. What if...
I beg! Idu, nothing is going to happen. As a matter of fact, I can handle it. Don't worry, I have my way with men. Trust me.
I trust you. Soon, you'll start whining like a wounded pussycat.
See me see trouble. I flash person. He call me back. Let me say Nina Wallace. You like me when they talk all the time. Why you the best? What's it concern you? But don't lie, you know I'm lucky shit. This flashing business, I'm really lucky, no lie. Talk true. I beg, where's Edith? Let me tell her the good news.
Hi, Mabel. I should be on my way. What's the problem? Why is the countenance suddenly dropped?
Chief, you're not leaving me all alone here tonight. It's my turn. I mean, you can't leave me to go. I'm sick and tired of this whole game. I'm just fed up. I'm not going anywhere.
It's your turn.
Yes, it's my turn.
I thought I've told you that there's only one way out.
Chief, I cannot be a second wife. You have to divorce your wife and marry me. Yes. I mean, you just have to do that for me. I am tired of waiting.
Divorcing my wife will be very absurd, and I don't think I'll do that. But also, if my wife gets to know about this relationship, she's going to raise so much dust. But no problem, I'm prepared to weather the storm, just for you. Alright?
What are you talking about? Are you telling me that I'm not worth the trouble? Is that what you're telling me, Chief? I mean, what happened to all the love that you professed to me? You should have known that you've been deceiving me all along.
Mabel, you're taking it too far. You see, you know I love you. We just have to be very careful not to allow this to escalate. I mean, boomerangs, it won't all go well for either of us, okay? Well, I hope if I tell you I want to sleep over, how would that be? Can I see the smile? Okay. I'll sleep over.
You mean you're going to sleep over?
Of course I will.
Oh, that's my Chief. You see why I always talk about you? You're so considerate.
What can I do without you?
Chief!
Do we go in?
Love of my life.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah? So you're sleeping with me tonight. Oh.
Bumi, where did you say this girl went to? I've been calling her all day.
Don't call her, just flash her, she will pick.
What do you mean by that? Are you stupid? What kind of useless flashing is that?
Well, women, wonderful things are beginning to happen in my life these days.
Where have you been all day? I've been calling you.
Just coming from the cafe where I went to scan my pictures for Maurice. After he saw my picture, he now begged me to please chat with him, so I obliged him and we spoke for 3 hours.
3 hours? That's 600 naira. That's money for soup, you know.
We finished the gist now. He saw my pictures, he went to Gaga and said he will not be alive and watch somebody else enjoy mine. Let's come. Hey. Then, he also promised to send me 300 euro tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning.
300 euro? How? That's over 40,000.
That's even too small. He wanted to send me pounds. Just that he has a business meeting in Spain and you know he resides in London. There was nothing he could do.
Hey, God, when will I be as lucky as you? All I hear is useless answering machines and languages that I don't understand.
Just pray. Prayers. With prayers you can move mountains.
Which God are you referring to? I don't think God subscribes to obtaining by tricks. And that's what you girls are doing.
What? Shh. Hello, sexy.
Hello, my angel.
I'm beautiful.
My boys have deposited the 40,000 into your account for your airfare. Okay?
Oh, my love, you're so kind. I love you.
It's nothing. I can't wait to see your lovely face. So when are you coming to Lagos?
Oh, me too, sexy. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait. I love you so much. But I have lots of loose ends to tighten up. So I'll do that this week and then I'll come and see your face next week. Is that okay?
Alright then. There's something I need to tell you. I pray you absorb it well. It's rather a bizarre situation.
Oh, come on, sexy. Just shoot. I'm listening.
Okay. What will you say if I tell you that I'm a physically challenged man?
Oh, Julie, stop playing. Don't play with things like that. You can't be disabled.
Well, yes, and Well, in lesser terms, but the thing is, I'm paralyzed from the waist down. I was born like this. I can't walk. I literally live in a wheelchair. Well, my dear, that's putting it rather strongly, but I guess that's what it narrows to. Yes, I'm a cripple.
What? Hey. Oh no, it doesn't. Actually, my battery is really low. I'll call you back, oh?
No, we could round up quickly. But
Hey.
You've not told me what you think, though. Hello? 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 Different strokes.
What is it? What is it? Hey. What is it? What did he say?
Chidi. Hey.
What is it?
Hey. Chidi's a cripple.
Hey!
I said it. Soon you'll get a ghost. But come to think of it, I don't see anything wrong in his disability.
Your generation. What do you mean you don't see anything wrong with disability? I cannot stand a disabled person talking of a cripple. A cripple! Babe, which kind of cripple you want to be now?
Babe, boy, manage him now. The money go.
I don't want. I don't want again. I beg. If I'm multi-billionaire, main chop, I don't want. Hi. I want to do. Which kind of cripple you want to be? I'm just tired now. I don't feed. I beg, I don't chop money again. Hi. Please, I'm going to go back to Maurice. Maurice can sustain me. What did you again do?
Flash now. You know flash again.
I'm not being angry. This game is so difficult. This game is Jesus, this guy has caused my game again! What did I do this guy now? You won't believe this guy made the lecturer send me out of his class today because he kept on dialing and dialing without stopping.
You should have switched off your phone when you know he's gonna call you.
For waiting now. For waiting. Other important people that have flashed, I'm expecting their response. You want me to put off my phone because of Chidi? I'd rather throw this phone away if you won't let me rest.
I think it's about time you tell this guy to stop calling you.
For what now? He's a matured man and should know when a woman says no.
Obviously, he's not matured enough for him to realize that.
So, what are you guys talking about?
My dear, Lisa just found out that the guy that has been calling her on the phone is crippled.
Yes, crippled, and so what? Yes. He's a human being like us now. And he was created by God, so what's the fuss about him being crippled? So if a member of your family is crippled, just abandon the person like
I bind the spirit talking with you in Jesus' name. I plead the blood of Jesus. Holy Ghost fire. I bind you. What do you mean now? She can't talk with that. Anyways, I have an idea. Since you love cripples so much, and now you are the Secretary General of Cripple Association of Nigeria, I'm going to have to link you to Chidi so both of you can get to know yourselves better.
He is very rich, oh. He sent her 40,000 naira for transport.
I'm giving you my phone.
I don't want your phone. Take it. I have my own phone. Thank you.
What is work good for those who fear and love the Lord? He's calling me again. Irene, he's your partner for life. Take it.
I don't want. I'm not fresh. I'm ready.
No, you should do.
Yes. Yes, I'm going, eh? I think I'm going flesh. I'm already late. Oh, take care. Bye-bye.
Babes, take care. In case anybody, say hello. I put the phone aside.
Yeah, that's a tell.
Hello, darling. Oh, sugar. Oh, sexy, I'm fine. I'm just here thinking about you. No, I'm not doing anything. Just everything I have in my mind. No, it's nothing. I'm going to call you back.
Yes, well, I'm fine.
No, sweetie, I'm just yeah. I'm still there trying to yeah. Yeah, I wasn't thinking about that. I was just saying Siri, let me call you back in a minute, yeah? Alright, bye. Fast kid is calling sick. Pick it, it's calling. Behave yourself. If you know you don't want the phone, then throw it away now. You made me call this very important call because of that stupid guy, Chidi. Behave, oh. Behave. You don't like behaving. That's why you cannot tell your friend to behave. Better tell her to behave, oh. Get out.
Irene, what is this?
Chidi.
Yes. Pick it now. I thought she said she's not interested. See, next time he calls, pick it.
No, I won't pick it.
What's your problem?
This is about this Chidi issue here. I don't know what else you want me to tell you. I have told you what to do. And you're proving strong-head. Just do some simple thing. You are shaking.
Please. I can't do it. Yes, I am not Lisa and I would never be Lisa. I said you should be Lisa. I said pretend to be Lisa. There's a difference. What is there? Chidi doesn't know Lisa in person. Just the voice. Talk.
My friend, take this same job. What is your problem?
I don't know how to lie. I don't know how to lie.
Pretend. He doesn't know Lisa. Just the voice. Talk.
Hello. Yes, I'm fine.
Stop shaking.
I'm in my room reading my book. Yes. How are you doing?
You know, I get really confused whenever I receive Chidi's call. You know I relate to him as Lisa.
Yeah, but that is what you should expect.
I mean, his voice just melts my heart each time I speak with him. I mean, his text message excites me every time I receive it. You know what? I've never fought for a man like this in my life. I don't know what is wrong with me.
Are you, by any chance, trying to tell me that you have started falling in love with him?
How can I love a man that I've not even seen?
Well, because you're the one that I've been playing to the galleries, you know.
How do you mean?
Isn't it obvious? You don't trust him. You don't take him serious just because you still think it's a sin to fall in love with a man.
Ella, it's not like that. I mean, I am very skeptical about getting into any relationship with any man right now. You can never trust them. They're just in there to break your heart and go. Yes. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul?
And what shall it profit Irene to live her whole life on this earth without hooking up with any man for marriage and then dies as an entity without an identity?
Sorry. Hell, prophet.
You think you're the only one that goes to church or knows how to say quote Bible passages? I do too. I'll leave that thing. See, my sister, let me tell you. We have only one life to live here on earth. And baby, you got to enjoy it all. You have to. Eh? The way you make your bed, so shall you lie on it. Well, me, I don't dream of marrying any deformed man. I don't at all. Don't get me wrong, I don't hate them. I don't hate them at all. But I am afraid of what the business might look like in bed.
My sister, you can never tell until you get there.
Yes. Then no problem. I'll have to wait for you to get there first.
But seriously, I'm serious. Seriously, I'm really, I don't know, I just feel that maybe I'm in love with this guy.
Hello, darling. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine, thank you.
I've not heard from you for a while now. Your phone has been like unavailable. Is everything okay? I thought I made you mad or something.
I've been very, very busy. Yes, I've been really, really busy.
All right then. Are you still coming this weekend?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. I can't wait to see you, I've been looking forward to it. Listen, if the previous money I spent for your airfare has been spent, you can tell me. There's no problem. I'll send you another one. I know students need money.
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, well, that's very thoughtful of you. As soon as I drop this call, I'll send you my address.
Okay, no problems. But I have to go and read now. I have to read. I really have to read now.
Oh, okay, of course.
Good night.
Thank you. You too.
Oh my God.
Why didn't you collect the money? What's your problem? You should have collected it. See the way you just lost money from us. Anyway, that was good. You pulled that one very well.
Babe, to lie is not easy.
Oh, you don't know before?
I don't know how this Lisa manufactures all her lies. It's not easy. Hey God.
Hey God. Don't ever make the mistake of comparing yourself with Lisa. That cockroach is very greedy. She does her own based on what she will gain financially and otherwise. But you're doing your own based on compassionate crowds, So chill down, just slow down.
It's not easy. I'm just lying. It's not easy.
See how easy it was. Just follow my lead. We succeed. Come. That was easy now. Come now. What's the problem?
Oh no, I haven't gotten the things and I don't know what the guy is saying. 500 errors? When are you sending it? Today? 500 errors.
I love you. I love you.
Who was that?
I'll call you back. Bye.
Who was that?
A friend.
A friend? You people were talking about 500 euro? And you already love him so much? Hmm? Tell me you talk to me right now!
You have no right to eavesdrop in conversation, number one. And nice, I think it's high time you begin to call me before you come in here.
Really?
Yes.
So it has got to this?
It has gotten to that, Raymond. Leave me alone. I am a woman that has needs, and I need to satisfy those needs one way or the other. Now open the gate. Leave me alone.
So I should leave you alone?
Yes. Am I speaking French? Leave me alone. I beg you, put your beans.
That was quite insensitive and rude.
See, Mr. Trouble, what do you expect? Do you expect me to lose my wallets because of this guy? Haven't you heard all he ever says? The only thing this guy keeps saying is, I love you, I want to marry you. My mother and my sisters are waiting. They're shop am. Please, I beg.
Listen, and who said once he's going to marry you? Listen, let me tell you. A bird at a time is worth a million in the bush.
Let me tell you, my dear friend, that saying is for lazy people like you. As for me, Lisa, I am going to spread my net so wide that all the birds in the bush will come inside and they can't come out. Besides, if you're so worried about him, you can have him now. I don't need to buy you clothes. Wallace, darling. I'm sorry, love. No, one of my lecturers was actually talking to me, so I wasn't pleased.
Please, don't give yourself away. Don't give yourself away. Don't spoil this deal for me. Eh? Okay. See, if you play your cards well, you will see everything will work out fine. Eh? And don't forget to call me if you need anything. Anything at all. Okay. Remember, your name is Lisa. Remember, oh, Lisa. Your name is Lisa until we're ready to reveal your identity. Eh? Lisa. Don't forget it, Lisa.
Okay, I won't forget.
Like, see, there's no cab coming. Let me just take a bike now. What? Wait. What did you say? Bike?
Yes, it's getting late.
Oh God. This girl, do you want to disgrace me? Eh? Haven't you learnt anything from me? Huh? Listen, you are going to VGC. VGC? Don't go and disgrace yourself with bike. Go and get yourself a sweet cab. Huh? You have to carry yourself like a matured rich girl. Eh? So that he'll be able to respect you. Please, no bike. Cab. Get a cab. A good one.
I've heard.
Alright. I'll take a cab. Oh, thank you very much. Just go down the road there. Yeah? You get a cab. Cab, don't go and get bike. Cab.
It's cab. I'll take a cab.
I know why I'm saying it,
Hey,
come.
Please, sorry.
Alright.
I'm used to do
safe trip, yeah? Cab! I've heard cab. Alright.
Yeah, who's that? Oh, come in.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. May I help you?
Sorry. I'm actually looking for Mr. Chidi. I'm not sure this is his house.
I suppose you mean Dr. Chidi.
Yes.
May I help you then?
Actually, I'm Lisa.
Oh, Lisa.
Yes.
He's expecting you.
Okay.
Please come in.
I'm sorry. Are you sure this is his house?
Come on. You asked too many questions. Are you a journalist?
No, I'm not a journalist. I'm sorry. Okay, where is Dr. Chidi?
Oh, just right in here. Let me show you.
Okay.
Yeah. Just go downstairs. Somebody will walk in. Sit down.
trust your flight from Port Harcourt was comfortable.
Yes, it was fine. Thank you.
Please sit down.
Oh, thank you.
I'm afraid I've never blind dated before, and you're everything I expected and more. You're truly beautiful.
Thank you.
Let me show you around.
No. I'm fine, thank you. I'm really fine. Thank you. I'm comfortable here.
So, how's school?
Well, school is fine. It's just that ASU is threatening to strike again.
Well, tell me what's new. Hopefully the government will do something about this one.
I just hope so. That's what everybody's hoping, that government just does something this time.
Person, very pleasant woman, very kind.
Thank you very much.
Please allow me. I would like to give you a little money for transport.
I'm sorry, I can't take it.
It's just 5,000 for the cab.
Yes, I have some money in my bag.
I don't mind. It's just 5,000.
Oh, it's okay, I'm fine. I have some money that can take me to my auntie's place. I'm fine. Thank you. I have to leave now. Hey, one more thing. I'll be leaving for Port Harcourt tomorrow.
Oh, like that?
Yes, I have to leave, school.
Of course. Well then, good luck, okay?
Yeah. Thanks for having me. I'll call you.
Sure.
Okay, bye.
There's a very beautiful girl walking by. Times are hard. We must do anything we can to survive. Are you lonely? Do you need some love today? She'll be your lover, but you have to pay. She don't want your love, she just wants your money. She don't need your kiss, she only needs your honey. She wants cash in her pocket, someone to pay the bills. Keep your heart to yourself. She don't want no love, she just wants your money. She don't need your kiss, she only needs your honey. She wants cash in her pocket, someone to pay the bills. Keep your heart to yourself. She don't want no love, she just wants your money. She don't need your kiss, she only needs your honey. She wants cash in her pocket, someone to pay the bills. Keep your heart to yourself. She don't want no love.
So that's the end of the story.
That's the end of the story, but you know how things happen. Yes.
You like things prim and proper, right?
Yes, I like you looking good.
Oh my God. They don't make them like you anymore, you know.
Oh, please, it's too much.
There's something I want to tell you. To start with, are you not tired of rolling me around?
Oh, no, I'm not tired of. I'm actually enjoying it. It's fun. Yes.
I'm not a burden.
Oh, no, you're not. I'm actually enjoying the whole thing, It's really interesting.
Like I was saying, there's something I need to talk to you about.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's serious stuff. As a matter of fact, something made me be like this. Conditions that I deemed irrevocable at some point brought me to this point, And what I'm about to show you might make or mar this relationship, but it's a risk I'm willing to take.
Yeah. Listen.
I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
I hope you like this one.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you'll love it. Do you want to close your eyes?
Okay, I'll close my eyes.
Don't peek, don't chew. Alright?
I'm not peeking. Okay, my eyes are closed. Okay.
Keep it closed.
They're closed, I'm not cheating. Should I open?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you walk?
I could always walk. I'm not a cripple. I'm coming to you now. So just come down. Come with me. Trust me. Please trust me. Trust me. Please. Trust me. It is true. I must realize the conflict. You know what? You don't look so good on your feet now. Why don't you take the weight off your feet? Sit down. Please trust me. Sit down. Alright. It's a long story. Go straight to the point. Cut to the chase. I made money early in my life. I think I made my first million when I was barely 18. Money making is an art for me. tuned it to mere perfection, you know, and the other part of my life is lacking. For me, because I made money early, it's been like a blessing as well as a curse. Every woman I meet was lacking in some respect. Either the fault was mine or theirs, but I couldn't make it happen. Everybody had an ulterior motive, and I just kept searching. My quest brought me nothing but misery. At some point, I just decided to do something drastic, you know, to find the right person, someone that was far from me, that wasn't within this vicinity, that didn't know me, that would love me for me.
Okay.
Me, and not for anything else. I know it sounds rather lame, but my cousin and I came up with this wheelchair script. And that's all I've been doing recently, just acting. It's been interesting. I got a wide variety of, you know, reactions. Some looked at me with disdain, some disgust, some curiosity, but every one of them wanting to exploit me. All but you. You're all I've been looking for.
It's not fair. I mean, this is not fair. I mean, it's not fair. I mean, why didn't you tell me that you could walk right from the first time I met you? This is not good.
That's the whole point. This whole thing would have been a tragic mistake if I wasn't sure. I had to take this risk and tell you, lose you or be with you for life.
I can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe it. I mean, how could you do this to me? Why?
I'm sorry. It's not even mine.
Who's the wheelchair for?
My cousin Ikena. You've not met him because he's currently in London. I send him every year to his physiotherapist and his doctors. A few years ago he had a tragic accident and he's paralyzed from the waist down. But the doctors assure us that if we continue with the treatment, that it's going to be okay. One day he'll walk, and we're hanging on to that promise. It's incredible. You need to meet him. His enthusiasm for life is contagious.
You know, don't do this to me again, okay? I beg you, don't do it. It's not fair, all right?
You look pale right now, okay? It's a terrible shock, right?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, you know what? Let me carry you. No, it's fun. It's actually fun. I'm always taking. I take Ikena around the compound all the time. He loves it.
Oh,
You'll love it. Come on, go in. Go, trust me. Trust me. You're gonna love it.
I see it's okay.
Watch this.
Hey, hi.
Hi.
Oh. So.
Well, Kidna, Lisa.
Oh, Lisa.
Kidna.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You know, I wasn't actually expecting such a beauty to have anything to do with a supposedly disabled Chidi. You are an angel to come after all.
Oh, please. I was made to believe that angels are made in heaven.
Yes, I agree with you, Lisa. But you know, some angels are sent down on earth to do special work.
Oh.
And you are definitely one of them.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
You're welcome again.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ikena,
I mean, the way you're looking at me makes me very uncomfortable.
Please pardon me, okay? I was only appreciating the good handwork of God on you. You're truly beautiful.
Thank you very much. And you're also handsome and very impressive.
Well, like I have a choice. You know, I don't indulge in self-pity. God has done his wish and I just have to live with it. Yeah. So your presence alone calls for a celebration. So I'll go get us some wine.
Wait a minute.
Wait, excuse me.
You were saying something?
Yeah, I mean, what I was celebrating.
Okay, man. What do you do when someone special walks into your life?
You celebrate. But in this case, there are two people celebrating. I don't know about you.
I noticed it's just 2 glasses.
Absolutely. You're quick on the retake. So the point here is that since there's no third glass, that's why they say 3 is company.
Chidi, I never knew you to be this mean. Yeah, I'm getting my glass myself.
2 walks, 3 is a crowd.
Chidi, I'm getting my glass myself.
Get that glass.
Hey, I'm coming right back, but hold on.
Stay where you got.
Hey, Uzoma, I'll be right back. Okay. Uzo.
Oh my God.
Well, he's always been like that. It's a cherry on top, you know. It brings such life when I'm a meltdown. In any case, he gives me the support I need emotionally instead of the other way around. I draw a lot from him.
Can imagine.
You know, there's a time I made up my mind I wanted to be alone for a long time. That's it where he came along. And he changed all that. Gave me another reason to live and carry on and simply forget the dark days of my past.
That is life.
Yeah, it is.
You know, Ikena is just so full of life. I mean, I like him so much. He actually reminds me of a guy that I saw along the road a long time ago. Yeah.
Tell me about him.
You want to know everything?
Absolutely. I'm not even ashamed of it. Go ahead, tell me.
Okay.
Hello. Why are you crying?
I was at the bus and someone picked my pocket and stole my money. Then the conductor actually me away from the bus.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to First Stack.
First Stack?
Yes.
Have this for our transportation.
I'm sorry, I can't take it, I'm sorry. Thank you so much, I can't take it. No, I can't.
Then, you need to trek from here to anywhere you are going to. You know this is Lagos. Take it from me. You are crying. Have this for our transportation. You may see me on a wheelchair. I'm a woman too. I just want to help you out. Take.
This one will be okay.
Is that one okay for you?
Thank you so much. God will bless you. Thank you so much.
Okay. No problem.
Are you always here?
Yeah, I'm here. It's alright, stop crying. Whenever you come around, just ask of me. My name is Joe. You can see me.
Thank you, God will bless. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a nice day. Take care.
Unfortunately, I was told that he died that evening.
Oh, that's sad. That is so tragic. What happened?
He was crushed by a moving bus. Yes, when he was about to pick the money that was thrown to him from the bus. I was so devastated when I heard about it.
Oh man, I can't even begin to imagine. It's sad. I'm really sorry.
It's okay.
You know, it also gave me a little openness to understanding why you didn't hesitate to come and see me as soon as you learned that I was the cripple.
Yes, I actually looked beyond their disabilities, and I made it a point of duty to always visit motherless babies' home and physically challenged people's homes and bring them gifts.
Give me your hand. Miss Lisa. You personify the beauty of the inside. On the outside as well.
Thank you.
It's an honor to know you.
Thank you.
Please allow me the honor of showing you around my home.
In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Father, we thank you for this food and let's eat to your glory in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Yeah. Chidi, are you feeling what I'm feeling?
What are you feeling again now?
You mean you're not savoring the taste of this food? Man, to God who made me, if I should eat this kind of food for the next 1 month, I'll stand up and walk.
Oh my God.
No, but I mean it. I mean, you guys need to see how this food is meandering every nook and cranny of my human skeleton.
Are you just sure you didn't put a confession potion in this food?
No, I didn't.
Well, she might have.
Oh God, please help me.
Okay.
Then the taste is making me. So, Lisa, I hope you spend at least 1 more month or even more with us.
I'm sorry, I can't. You know, I have to be in school next week. I'll be writing exams and I have to read for my exams.
But you should have come with your books. I mean, you can still read from here. Well, just that I'm so sure I'll be needing more of this, you know, as often as possible. Yeah.
Can I get one chicken, please?
Oh, okay. You want chicken?
You're not even done with that, man.
I know I'll need more chicken. You're not the other one that needs.
Okay. Then you're making it 2.
2, okay.
You're not missing this opportunity, are you? Chidi, Lisa is a perfect wife material. And you just have to propose to her before she leaves. I'm telling you.
It doesn't work that way, again. Okay? It's more to it. I mean, I barely know her.
Chidi, when you see a God sent, I don't think you need a prophet or a soothsayer to draw it for you. You're missing her. Believe me.
Listen, you don't marry a woman based on her culinary skills alone, okay? It's a lot more than that. I'll think about it.
Think about it? Chidi, what I don't know is what you want to think about. I mean...
You can put your voice down and think about it, okay? Eat your food.
Alright, I'm eating. But...
Okay, now.
Are getting out of control. Yes, I mean, I don't even know what to do. Maybe I should just reveal my true identity to him now. Eh? No. I think it's already late though. It's late. Yes, it's late now. I don't even know what to do. Eh?
Hello. Oh, I'm so sorry I didn't knock.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Well, are you comfortable?
Oh yes, I'm very comfortable, thank you.
Alright then. Oh, your family, how are they?
Yes, they're wonderful. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Good night.
Excuse me, sorry. There's something I want to ask you.
You might be very offended by what I want to say right now. But don't take it personal, okay?
I promise.
I hope you don't do fraudulent businesses. Because, I mean, you're always on your computer every time. And you don't even go out. You're always at home.
Really, it's a simple question, but I don't know how I'll answer without sounding a little vain, you know. Well, here it is. I built this company, this small empire of mine from the scratch. Okay, when I was done with business school, I was trained in a different way, you know. There's a certain urbanization in the business world right now that avails you the opportunity to run whatever you want to run, even an empire from the comforts of your home. I have a fully set up office downstairs. One of these days, if you care to come in, I'll show you how we run things. I'm constantly on the computer like you've seen, because I deal in stock trading and all.
Okay.
And I deal all over the world, so I constantly have to monitor the rise and fall of the big stock market. And then we also do international trading as well. We import and export Mercedes parts. Yeah, Mitsubishi and Toyota. We're doing internet consultancy, and I'm into constructions as well, with the government contracts.
I mean, that's a lot.
Yes, a lot. So I run it from the conference of my home. I attend board meetings now and then, but basically it's fine to run it from where we have offices in Japan, London, the UK, and Turkey, many other countries.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. I mean, that asked such a question, you know.
No, just showing concern. I appreciate it. Okay? And please feel free, complete liberty to ask me whatever you deem a little fishy. Yeah?
Okay, I will. Thank you so much.
All right, darling. Good night.
Yeah, good night. Sleep well.
Tell me now, what's happening?
My dear, things are just moving so fast. I can't even get a hold of it.
Then you need to apply brake. Apply brake.
See, this is not a funny matter. This is not funny at all. Okay, it's not funny. Things have just totally changed. I don't even know what to do. I'm so confused right now.
Confused? What kind of language is that? Come, the way you are sounding right now is as if you are falling in love with the guy already. Please, tell me that is what is happening. Tell me now.
My sister, I don't even know what I'm even thinking right now. Maybe I should just tell him who I am now, eh? Let me just reveal my true identity to him. I have to just do it now. It's taking too long.
Don't try it though. Don't try it. Do you hear me? Don't even think. Hello? Are you still there?
Yes, I'm there.
Why do you want to win your happiness now? Just cool down. Follow my plans. Everything will fall into place. What is it?
I say I'll talk to you tomorrow. You're even getting me more confused, Seth.
Okay, no problem. This one we are hushing. Like say the man did here. No problem. Have fun, eh?
Bye-bye. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.
Alright, bye. Yes, Chick.
What is this now, eh?
Times are hard. We must do anything we can to survive. Are you lonely? Do you need some love today? She'll be your lover, but you have to pay. She don't want your love, she just wants your money. She don't need your kiss, she only needs your honey. She wants cash in her pocket, someone to pay the bills. Keep your heart to yourself. She don't want no love, she just wants your money. She don't need your kiss, she only needs your honey. She wants cash in her pocket, someone to pay the bills. Keep your heart to...
I said, what are you doing?
What do you mean by that?
What do you mean, what do I mean? I told you earlier this relationship is over. So I ask again, what is it you want here?
Lisa, what do you think? You think I'll fold my arms and let another man take you away from me? That's impossible.
Are you out of your mind? Do I belong to you? I'm asking you. Listen, Raymond. I have found a man who is befitting to me. A man who can give me everything I want and even more. So this relationship is hereby null and void. Are you listening?
That's not possible. I can't take that. Do you realize how much I've spent on you? Do you realize that?
Oh. So that's the problem. Huh? Do you realize how many times you slept with me? Do you? Oh, you want to bother me? You are crazy. You better get out of this place before I change my mind.
You must be out of your mind.
It is you that is out of your mind. You're a fool. You're an imbecile.
Me?
Yes!
You're insulting me! Huh? Call me a fool! Huh?
You think I'm mad at me?
Lisa.
Idiot! Foolish man!
You did this to me!
Lisa, it's unfair! Let's go to bracelet and mind your own business. If you like it so much, marry me. Foolish, wait on me.
Sorry. Don't worry, I'll talk some sense into her. Please.
It's okay, I'm fine.
Gentlemen, how did the meeting with the governor go?
It went fine, sir. The sum of 400 million has been transferred into the company's account.
And he advised we commence work at the site immediately.
We will refute that advice. To start with, I'm not ready to play politics with them. The last government contract we had paid 150 million, if I'm correct. And it took us the course of 1 whole month to chase down the rest of our money. Within that time, we had completed the project. I can't go through that again. So we'll retain this 400 million, use that as mobilization, move the engineers and the foremen and the equipment into site. Let's act busy, let's start. You understand?
Okay, sir.
We'll delay things as much as we can, and in the course of 2 months, we'll see to it that they give us the rest of our 400 million. And they will complete the job.
Alright, sir.
So take that as a frontal advice. Get them into position. Let's start this work, okay?
Alright, sir.
Meanwhile, that was a good one. Thank you for seeing this.
Thank you.
Proud of you, gentlemen. I'll see to it that I speak to Musa to get your commission ready. See him 1 week from now and to be ready for it. Have a nice day, gentlemen.
No problem, sir.
All right.
Thank you very much, sir.
I can't tell you how elated and happy I am to be with you. Because I wonder where my life would be now without you.
But you have money and everything you desire, so why me? I mean, how will I make you happy?
Baby, money's not everything. You can't take that from me. I've had it all my life and it's really not brought me joy, you know? Just no strong sense of accomplishment. Just paper. The real thing is who to share with, who to be with. I'm so happy you gave me that missed call that day. I wonder where we'll be without that call.
Listen, I didn't give you that missed call. I have to tell you something. It's really important I do. Because, I don't know, just have to know this.
You're looking so damn sexy like that.
Oh God, listen.
No! No,
Ever since you came into my life has experienced a tremendous change, both in my business and my life pattern. I won 2 contracts from which I made a huge sum of money. Besides that, there is promises here and there, unlike when I was running after Lisa, who gave my life a meaning. And considering all that, I'm convinced that you are the woman for me. Therefore, I engage you or propose to you that truly I want to marry you. Thank you.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Honey, you kept on sprinkling forth with surprises every day. I'm so grateful that you kept to your word one after the other. The last time you told me of marriage, I thought it was one of those things that happen in a relationship. I'm now convinced you're serious.
All I keep asking God is to grant us one love that would bind us together. Very soon I will start working towards the task ahead.
I'm so grateful.
Okay, you're welcome.
Do you realize Irene is not back yet? Really enjoying herself with that cripple?
My sister, I don't blame the poor girl. The only thing that gets me worried is how they want to do. The guy could bend light for a wheelchair. How they want to do. Anyway, I don't blame her. See her CB. Shake. Bumi, you've been looking at me as if I'm a ghost. Hope no wala.
Nothing.
Are you sure?
Maybe she don't carry belly for one useless guy.
Not possible. It go possible though. It go be possible. Wait. What is it? Hello, darling. Hi, love.
I'm cool.
I love you. It's a lie, I love you more. What? International passport? Oh, sweetie, you want to... It's a lie, leave it alone. I did shy. I love you. I love you more. It's a lie, I love you more. It's a lie. Alright, darling, bye. No, I'll do the passport immediately, send the money. I love you. Leave me, Joe, bye, I love you. I leave make a rest. Guess what, girls? Wallace just asked me to go and make an international passport.
God, are you serious? I thought he's only interested in cyber love.
Which kind of talk be that? Babe, check me, balance me now. This is my special. Now maybe the last surviving one.
Not true you talk. Eh? We be smile now. No be our fault say we fine.
Congratulations, so.
That's why I keep advising both of you to be very decisive. If I hadn't dumped Raymond now for Wallace, that bad guy for still they hang around in our own colomenta.
Not true you talk. Eh?
I love you. Aunt Marie. I love
you. Smile, my sister. No be our fault say we fine. You fine. Me I'm fine. You fine. You fine.
Are you lonely? There's a very beautiful girl walking by. Times are hard. We must do anything we can to survive.
Well,
I'll miss you guys.
we'll miss you, baby.
Yeah, we will.
Okay, then, Sino.
Sir.
This way, please. Take her to the airport. Get a ticket. Business class ticket, by the way.
No, I'll be fine, really.
No, you want to sit in a bus for hours to Port Harcourt. That's a long trip.
No, I'll be fine, thank you, really.
Lisa, I hope you left enough soup and stew that will last for long.
Oh my
God.
God.
I'm missing you guys. It's equally important as I don't even know when she's coming back.
Okay, no problems. I'll come back very soon. If not for anything, I'll come and cook for you.
Now she's talking. That is very marvelous.
Oh my God. Please, thank you so much for the shopping. I really appreciate it.
It's nothing, babe. You sure you don't want to go by air?
No, I'll be fine. We'll be fine.
So, can someone give me a hug now? Please.
Oh, of course, big hug.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. What's that?
Hey, that was just a hug.
What kind of hug is that? Hug is like that. This is not a hug.
Hold yourself, man.
That is sexual harassment, my friend.
It's not sexual harassment, man.
Oh my
Hug
goodness.
is like that.
I want a hug.
No, baby, get better.
Take
Hey,
care.
I saw it.
Alright, take care.
Take
Bye.
care.
Alright. You're back. She's a good woman,
You see
cuz.
that, man? I mean, are you seeing what I'm saying, man?
Shut up,
I've always told you this girl is a perfect wife material, Chidi. I don't know what you're waiting for.
Okay. It's time to get your talkative
But did you just hear what I said, Chidi? I mean, she
heard
is a
you.
perfect wife material.
There's a very beautiful girl walking by. Times are hard. We must do anything we can to survive. Are you lonely? Do you need some love today? She'll be your lover, but you have to pay. She don't want your